Today, the recipes for a Malibu Barbie inspired menu for your Barbie themed girls' night out, birthday party, or bachelorette.
Hi, I'm Mara. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you're here. Last week I shared with you all the behind the scenes for my Barbie inspired party. So you saw the DIYs, the decorations, the candy bar, and if you missed that, I'll make sure to put a link for you. It's going to probably be up here somewhere so that you can go check it out. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the food. So what's on the menu? We are making California cucumber rolls. We're doing a California flatbread, some goat cheese and grape bites, and a really fresh mango and black bean salsa with nachos. So if you're ready, let's go. So to start making these California roll bites, we're going to use 2 cucumbers and we're going to cut them into sections. Okay, so now that we've got our cucumbers cut up, we're going to scoop out the center. I'm going to use my melon baller to scoop this out, making sure that you don't go all the way to the bottom because we just want to create a cup and somewhere for our filling to sit. If you don't have a melon baller, you can always use like a teaspoon to cut this out. Again, just make sure you don't go to the bottom or your filling's all going to spill out. So it's going to look something like that. We're going to make the drizzle that goes on top of our California bites, and we're going to start with 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Now I'm using the CUKE mayo, which is the Asian mayonnaise that you can find at Asian grocery stores, but if you can't find that, you can use regular mayo. And to that, we're going to add some wasabi paste. So I add about 1/2 teaspoon of that. And then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. We're going to stir that up to create the drizzle that goes on top. So we want this to be nice and combined and smooth. There we go. We're all set for our cucumber bites. Our ingredients, we need diced avocado, some crab, and also some finely diced carrots. Okay, so let's start mixing our filling. So we've got in here our crab, and we're going to add our finely diced carrots, finely diced avocado, and then our dressing here with the soy sauce and the rice vinegar. So don't worry about the ingredients. I'll make sure to put that in the notes for you below. I'll give that a good mix. And we're gonna start filling our cups here. Now we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of that dressing that we made. And sprinkle with a little bit of sesame seed. And now we're ready to serve our California bites. So to make our mango and black bean salad, obviously we're going to start with, well, black beans and mango. And to that we're going to add cilantro, tomato, red pepper, and red onion. So we're going to start making the dressing by taking a 1/4 cup of the mango that you had cut up and just mashing it slightly in a bowl. And now we're going to set that aside. And we're going to whisk together. In here we've got 3 tablespoons of lime juice, fresh lime juice. And to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So we'll get we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water. Half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and we're just going to give that a whisk and create the dressing. We're going to pour that into our mashed up mangoes.
dressing is ready to go. Here we've got our black beans in a bowl. We're going to add the rest of our chopped mango. We're going to add those other ingredients that we diced. So red onion, red peppers, tomato, and cilantro. So that's nicely mixed. We're going to add our dressing and give that a good toss. Now this is one of those salads that gets, or salsas that gets better the longer it sits. So I typically like to make this the night before and let it kind of marinate in the juices. It just tastes better. And there is our black bean and mango salsa. Okay, so let's start building our California pizza. So to start with, I'm using naan bread. So you can use naan bread or you can use flatbread. The point is to use something that's got like a thicker crust. So to that, we're gonna add some already cooked chicken. We're gonna add some cooked bacon. Red peppers. Tomatoes, red onion. I just love all the colors in this pizza. And then avocado. Now this is a chipotle lime aliolio. It's like a Tex-Mex flavored mayo. So I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of that on here and get it to come out. There we go. A couple of dollops of that. Now we're gonna add some cilantro. Now if you're the kind of person who doesn't like cilantro, feel free to omit it. You don't need the cilantro, but I feel like it goes really well with the flavors we've got happening here. And then we're just gonna top this off with a little sprinkling of mozzarella cheese. Looks amazing. So colorful and fresh. That's what I think of when I think California cuisine. I think really fresh, colorful food. And this definitely delivers. So now I'm gonna chop this up, cut it up into sections for easy handling. And we're gonna get to taste it. Here goes, now it's time to taste. So I've cut this in 6 pieces here. So let's try. It's time to taste. It's so fresh. I love the crunch of the red pepper and the red onion with the softness of the avocado. And that chipotle alioli, however you say that, the chipotle mayo just adds the right amount of flavor and zing to this. Well, guys, cheers. This is amazing.
You only need 3 ingredients to make these great bites: grapes, goat cheese, and finely chopped walnuts. Start by washing and drying your grapes. Then take a small amount of goat cheese and cover the grape, rolling and pressing it into place. Then roll it into the chopped walnuts and set it aside. I don't like to make these too far ahead, otherwise the walnuts tend to lose their crunch. But you can make them the morning of your event and then store them in the fridge until you're ready to serve. And we're serving up this Malibu Barbie cocktail to finish off our Barbie theme menu. It's sweet, colorful, and fun, just like Barbie. It's made with coconut rum, and all the details on how to make this drink are in the description below for you.
So if you like what you saw here, be sure to hit like and subscribe. I upload videos every week dedicated to helping make you a more confident hostess. So until next time, happy hosting!